Finn's Fun Trucks, Demolition Dudes, written by Finn Coyle, illustrated by Srimali Basani. We are the Demolition Dudes. We knock things down and clean them up with our demolition fleet. Each one has a job of its own. Can you guess what each one does? This is a wrecking ball. Can you guess what it does? Crawler crane, steel chain, wrecking ball. A wrecking ball knocks things down. It is like a big hammer. This is a crusher. Can you guess what it does? Excavator, track, crusher bucket. A crusher smashes big chunks of concrete and rock into smaller chunks. This is a bulldozer. Can you guess what it does? Cab, transmission, blade. A bulldozer pushes debris into piles for cleaning up. It is like a big broom for sweeping up the demolition site. This is a backhoe loader. Can you guess what it does? Backhoe boom, rock bucket, loading bucket. A backhoe loader picks up all the debris collected by the bulldozer and carries it away from the work site. It is like a big dustpan for the demolition site. This is a dump truck. Can you guess what it does? Hopper, tailgate, tire. A dump truck hauls all the debris away. It is like a garbage can for the demolition site. We are the Demolition Dudes. Can you guess what we can do when we all work together? Backhoe loader, bulldozer, crusher, wrecking ball, dump truck. We can knock a building down, clean it up, and haul it away. This has been Finn's Fun Trucks, Demolition Dudes, written by Finn Coyle, illustrated by Srimali Basani, narrated by Henry Rogers.